Hello. Today we are going to make a freehand drawing. Well, yes, this is an interesting topic and this looks symmetrical as well. Let's see what are the 3 steps and start making this. Let's make a straight line at first. And after that, let's start by making the design on the left hand side. We will make the design slowly and nicely. Let's make only the left part of the design. Go very slow while making it and try making the exact thing. Make a light design so that just in case if you have to erase it, it is easier for you to do so. And look at that, the left side of the design is ready. Let's see these centimeters and put it here. Well, we see that this part or this point is approximately 4.5 centimeters away from the center line. Hence, we are going to take 4.5 centimeter on the other side and mark a dot. After that, this point is approximately 2.3 centimeters away from the center line. Hence, let's mark a point there. Similarly, let's mark these points, which is 1 centimeter away from the center line. Once we are done with that, let's start by making these designs with the help of our points. Make the curves slowly and nicely. Continue making it in a slowly and precise manner. Yes, the dots are going to help us way too much. And look at that, our design is complete. Let's erase the center line now and erase all these dots as well. And look at that, our design is symmetrical, which means that the left side looks exactly equal to the right side. They are identical, you're right. Continue making this nicely now. You can turn your book however you like. Make this drawing a little darker so that we know that this is the fair drawing. And finally, let's do the top part. That looks brilliant. Once we are done with this, it's time for us to paint it. If you notice, we are using only warm colors in this drawing, which means we are using shades of red, orange and yellow here. Let's start by painting the orange color first. We are going to take a 4-number brush for this activity so that it is easier for us to paint inside these small sections. Remember to do the outline first and then paint inside. Go very slow while painting this. Try and not keep any brush strokes on top of the paper, which means evenly spread the color in such a way that it looks like one shade. That looks brilliant. The next thing we do is take a little bit of white, add it here and do the bottom part. Again, we will do the outline first and then paint inside. As this shade looks a little lighter than the first part, we have used white in this to make it a little lighter. Make sure you refill your brush with paint if you feel that the brush is very rough on the paper. That looks amazing. Let's take yellow color now. Take it in the palette and add some water. For example, if you take 1 drop of paint, you need to take 2 drops of water. Yes, for a good consistency. Your paint should not be too watery, nor should it be very dry. It should have the correct amount of water for it to flow well on top of the paper. Let's spread the paint evenly inside the drawing. That's wonderful. We will use the tip of the brush and paint in thin areas. Continue painting this in a similar way. That's brilliant. Finally, we are going to use red color for the remaining part. Let's take some red in the palette, add some water and mix it well. That's amazing. Let's slowly start painting this small section. Spread the paint evenly and start by painting the next section. Just like how we color, we are going to paint in a similar way. We will do the outline first and paint only in one direction. Make sure you paint very slowly and precisely near the entire border. Paint this slowly and nicely. That's wonderful. And look at that, our entire drawing is ready. We do not need any sketching for this one.